class 3 students. I hope you all are good and safe at your places. So, yes, students, as you know, we have completed chapter number 16, that is celebrating festivals, and our test also done of chapter number 13, that is work we do. Right? And I hope you all are very much prepared for the next exams, because these chapters will come which we are doing, which revision we are doing. These chapters will come in the exam. So yes, students, today we are starting with a new chapter as our total almost for this session. We our chapters completed. I'm telling you, 10 chapter we have already done in the before essays. We have done that. So 10 chapter completed, 11th completed, 12th completed, 13th completed, 14th is not in syllabus, and then 15th also completed and 16th also completed. Means total we have done 6 chapters till now. Now we are starting with the new chapter, and yes, 17th chapter is again not in syllabus. Yes, 17th chapter not in syllabus, not included in your syllabus. So today we are starting with the new chapter, that is chapter number 18, that is locating places. हम इस chapter से start करेंगे. Chapter number 18, locating places. This chapter will be little difficult for you all, but yes, if you will learn all the things, it will be easy for you. Right? So students, today we are starting with the locating places. Locating places means some किसी place को locate करना, like we can find out that place by locating that. अगर हम किसी चीज को कोई चीज locate की हुई है और हम उसको बता सकते हैं if we know the name of that thing. So yes, firstly I am going to tell you about the directions. Directions like dishaएं. There are 4 directions. So as you all know about the 4 directions, जो हमारे 4 directions दी हुई हैं, आपको पता होगा इसके बारे में, about these 4 directions. Just a wait. Okay, so everyone open page number 102 of your book. 102 of your book page number should be open, because this time you all have to see the book also along with the video. So yes, students, we all know about these. There are 4 directions. 4 main directions are there: east, west, north and south. These are the east, west, north and south. Clear? Now when you will stand in front of a map, you know what is map? Map क्या locate करता है हमें? So map is a drawing of neighborhood, city or country. कोई भी जगह का ऐसी drawing है, उसको map बोलते हैं. When you will stand in front of a map, अगर आप किसी map के सामने खड़े होंगे, आपके सामने map है, so this time, that time what you will observe, like that time what you will observe when you will stand facing a map, जो top है, जो top वाला area है, that top will show north. The top shows north direction. कौन सी direction show करेगा? Top, that will show north direction, and bottom will show south direction. Clear? Again I am telling you, when you will stand in front of map, in front of, like if you are having a map, and that time you will see जो top होगा map, that is north, and जो bottom होगा map का, that is south. Now on our right, अब हमारे जो right side पे है, that is east, and जो हमारे left side पे है, that is west. So these are the 4 directions, and it is very much useful if we are going to anywhere, any place. अगर हम किसी place पे जाना चाहते हैं, so that time these things are very important. We should know about these directions. कहाँ पे कौन सी direction होती है? So east, firstly north, south, east and west. Okay, clear to all of you? North, south, east and west. North will just top पर होगा, south bottom, east right and west left side पर. Okay, so this was about directions. We use these directions to find our way or guide someone to find his or her way. अगर कोई रास्ता भूल गया है, so we can help them. If we are going anywhere, we can see the map where we have to go, and that time we will observe where are these directions, right? But nowadays you can see in your phone also. Your phone can tell everything, so we don't need of this much. But yes, it should be in your general knowledge, like how it happens earlier. कि पहले के टाइम में क्या होता था, there were no landmarks, कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं होती थी कि where they have to go. So that time वो क्या करते थे, इन्हीं directions के ऊपर based थे, right? So इन्हीं directions के through किसी को कहीं जाना होता तो इन्हीं directions के through जाते थे. Earlier mobile phones were not there, but yes, now mobile phones are here. Technology के कारण हमें इतना जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है इसका, but yes, हमें पता होना चाहिए where are the directions. North in the top, south in the bottom, east in the right, and west in the left. So yes, this was about the directions. Now I will be telling you about one more thing. This is about the sketch. Now you are thinking about that sketch which you draw at your homes for fun and enjoyment. It is not that. So sketch, it is a rough drawing. It is a rough drawing or a map. See, if I want to go DPS school, Delhi Public School, and I live in, suppose I live in Hudda sector 20. So how I will go to DPS? Do you know how I will go to DPS if I am new here and I don't know the way where I have to go? So how we will go there? So for this we have to know about this sketch, about the map, about the rough drawing or a map, कि हमें किस साइड जाना है, किस तरह से हमें पता चलेगा कि that is the building of DPS, कौन से वे से जाना है. So this is known as sketch. Sketch is a rough drawing or a map. Keep it in your mind. अगर आपको किसी जगह पर जाना है, उस जगह का उस मैप, उस जगह की rough drawing, that is known as sketch. So yes, now I will be telling you about the sketch. Students, as you can see here, this is the sketch which is made in your book, and it is a rough drawing or a map of a place, right? So as I told you about the sketch, so now I am telling you one thing in this sketch. It is a sketch to reach Tanya's house. Okay, a girl name is Tanya. She invited her friend Sheena to her house for a party. तो उसकी फ्रेंड को उन्होंने इनवाइट किया पार्टी के लिए. शीना डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू रीच तान्या's हाउस. नाउ शीना को नहीं पता है कि तान्या का घर कहाँ है. सो तान्या's मदर ड्रू अ स्केच ऑफ द एरिया टू शो हर द वे. उन्होंने एक रफ ड्राइंग ड्रॉ की, मीन्स इट इज़ अ रफ ड्राइंग और अ मैप ऑफ अ प्लेस. सो शी ड्रू रफ ड्राइंग फॉर दैट एरिया, तो ताकि उसको सारा रास्ता पता चल जाए. The sketch showed some of the important landmarks in the area. Now landmarks are the important places जिनको हम मार्क करके बता सकते हैं कि हाँ, this is the famous place and you may know about it. Okay, so yes, लैंडमार्क के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो एक सिंबल होता है जो सिंबल से रिप्रेजेंट करता है कोई भी ऐसा साइन जो रिप्रेजेंट करता है लैंडमार्क को. Okay, so a landmark is something that you can clearly see from distance, जो हम दूर से देख सकते हैं, and वो हमें जहाँ पे हमने पहुँचना है, it will help us, right? So yes, this is the drawing of Tanya's house, as you can see here. So it was very difficult for them to draw all the landmarks in the area. तो तान्या की मदर ने क्या किया, कुछ symbols draw किए landmarks के लिए. ठीक है, like this symbol she showed about the water tower, and then she showed about the cinema hall, and then this is about the petrol pump, school, temple, park, हॉस्पिटल एंड पोस्ट ऑफिस. दीज आर द कीवर्ड्स, की सिम्बल्स गिवन, कि इन सिम्बल से इस स्केच के अंदर सारा शो किया हुआ है. Yes, student, as you can see here, this is Tanya and this is Sheena's house. Now, Sheena have to go to the Tanya's house. Now, how will she go? Like some landmarks are given here. Like firstly, she will go here and one park will be there again. Second park will come and then take turn. यहाँ पर temple है, right? ये symbol temple का है. This is a symbol of cinema hall. And then she will go straight. This is again a park. This is a water tower, and then in front of water tower here it is a house of Tanya's house, and it is a symbol of this is a symbol of hospital, right? So like this she can see कि किस तरह से she have to reach Tanya's house. And here also it is one more thing given, it is a petrol pump symbol. Okay, so you all have to learn these symbols कि किस तरह से कौन सा symbol दिया गया. Again I am telling you, these symbols are water tower, are of water tower. These are of the temple, and one more is here. 3 temple signs are given. 3 hospital signs are given here. 1 school sign is given here. Park 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parks are given here, and yeah, 1 cinema hall is given here. And so these are the things given here. So and here also more written. So in the bookwork we have to do this one sketch also. So आपको वहाँ पर पूछा जाएगा कितने सिम्बल्स किस नेम से हैं. सो यू ऑल हैव टू लर्न दीज सिम्बल. सारे सिम्बल्स ये आपको लर्न करने हैं कि कौन सा सिम्बल कौन से नेम से है. Clear? So again I'm telling you about this. So Tanya invited her friend Sheena to her house for a party, and she didn't know कि कैसे तान्या के घर पहुंचना है. तो तान्या की मदर ने एक स्केच ड्रॉ किया, दैट इज द रफ ड्राइंग, एंड दैट स्केच इज नॉन एज रफ ड्राइंग और अ मैप ऑफ अ प्लेस, किसी जगह का मैप. क्लियर? सो तान्याज मदर ड्रू अ स्केच ऑफ द एरिया टू शो हर द वे. उन्होंने इस तरह का स्केच ड्रॉ करके बताया कि उन्होंने किस जगह पर आना है, इस घर में आना है शीना ने. क्लियर? सो द स्केच शोड सम ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट लैंडमार्क्स इन द एरिया. लैंडमार्क्स सारे ये जो आपको बताए हैं, दीज आर द लैंडमार्क्स. एंड द स्केच इज अ रफ ड्राइंग और अ मैप ऑफ अ प्लेस. इट इज अ रफ ड्राइंग और अ मैप ऑफ अ place. A landmark is something that you can see clearly from a distance and helps you to know where you are. तो इससे हमें पता चल जाता है हम कहाँ पर हैं. तो there are some symbols given, names given. So अगर हम यहाँ लैंडमार्क्स नहीं देंगे, so can we find out any house? हम नहीं ढूंढ सकते ना कोई घर. So Tanya's mother used some symbols for landmarks. इसलिए उन्होंने symbols का यूज़ किया. And these symbols is a sign. Symbol क्या होते हैं? ये sign होते हैं. Symbol is a sign. इससे क्या होता है? लैंडमार्क को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. डिफरेंट लैंडमार्क्स के पास डिफरेंट सिंबल्स होते हैं. जैसे सिनेमा हॉल का सिंबल ये है, पेट्रोल पंप का ये है, स्कूल का ये है. सो एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ सिंबल्स, जो हम एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं इन सिंबल्स को, इन सिंबल्स के एक्सप्लेनेशन को हम बोलते हैं इज कॉल्ड की. KEY, की. ओके. So this sketch helped Sheena a lot. She reached Tanya's house without any difficulty. बिना किसी difficulty के जो शीना है वो तान्या के घर में पहुंच गई. So this was about the sketch, like how we can draw the sketch and we can tell them where they have to come. If we are inviting someone and if we are going somewhere, so we can say them to please draw a rough drawing, a rough sketch, so that we can see like we can find out where we have to come. Clear? So yes, this was about this sketch. So yes, students, I hope you all got to know about the meaning of sketch, about the meaning of landmark, and about the meaning of symbol. So what do we learn today? About the landmark also we learned. Landmark, about the symbol also we learn, and about the key also we learn. So these things we cleared today in this session. So in the next session again I will be giving the recap of this chapter, because yes, there will be long break of 2-3 days. So I will be giving recap of this chapter again, and next for the next session what you have to do is, I request you all to purchase some political maps with you, and we will work on that. So these political maps looks like this. आपको इस तरह के map purchase करने हैं with the boundary lines. So this we will be doing in the next session on Tuesday. So yes, that is all for today. You all have to read this page number 102 and 103 top. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye all and take care.